What is up guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have this beautiful smart BRABUS #1 here with us, and we are not alone. We are joined by Quincy.
Hi, how are you guys?
Yeah bro, it's good to have you back, man, dude.
Pleasure, my
Okay
pleasure.
bro, so tell the audience here, what are we looking at? What is this car, man, dude?
Okay, so what you're looking at is a cyber silver paint with a
Okay.
radiant red roof with the, what I call this, side mirror caps over here.
Nice bro.
Alright?
Okay, this is a red, what is it called again?
Radiant red roof.
Radiant red roof. So you get the red finishing over here, over the top, and I also noticed you got a glass roof on the top also as well.
Correct.
Awesome, bro. So the color is called, what is this, man, dude?
Cyber silver.
Cyber silver.
Yes.
Damn, man. It's really beautiful, bro. Okay. So
Okay.
your front, yeah.
So I'm not very sure the brand Smart, if you're already aware of, is actually a subsidiary company from Mercedes.
Okay.
So you get the same intelligent headlamp as the multi-beam LED, but however we mark it out as Cyber Spark LED Plus.
Oh, cool. That's the wording right there, man, dude. So it's Cyber Spark LED Plus. So it does move around left and right according
Correct.
to the road also as well. Okay, okay, that's nice. So your bottom bumper right here, I also note that there's also a red stuff here, so it matches the roof.
Correct. So
In a
there's a
way.
red essence with the front honeycomb grille here, so to say.
Okay.
And you got a functional air curtain just like a Mercedes.
Beautiful, man, dude. Okay, so there's openings for air to flow through to improve its aerodynamics, and even I believe, is it here as well?
There would be a fake diffuser.
Okay, so
it would be a fake diffuser.
okay, so it's more like for aesthetics lah. Okay,
Correct.
cool. That's very nice. But it does look very sporty and aggressive, man. I have to say, this does look very nice. Is there a 360 camera on this car also as well?
Yes, we do have 360 camera.
I
So
see,
one
so
of the
it's-
camera will be here. There's one, two as the opposed side,
Okay.
three.
Wow.
Then there's a rear view camera. Right
Which
here.
is right there as well. Awesome, bro. Awesome. Okay, so let's start off with the wheels, bro. What tire size are these actually?
This will be a 19-inch.
19-inch. So tire size is about 235, 45, R19. And these are like two-tone wheels with a solid disc brake. That's awesome, man, dude. It looks very sporty also as well. Are these the only wheel designs that come with the car?
Yes, correct. And also you get red painted calipers over here.
Red
Just to
painted
show
calipers.
it's a BRABUS variant.
Very nice indeed, bro. This looks good. So maybe we can move on to the door side. How do we get in actually?
So you just have to tap the indentation, no need to press.
And the door handle
All
just
four
pops
doors
up.
will pops up.
All four.
All
Cool,
four.
man. So maybe I can try and open up. So there's a smart wording right here as well. That's super cool. Comes with blind spot assist, frameless doors also as well. Awesome, man, dude. So yeah, the interior color is very nice with the red stitching, and also you get amazing red seat belts here with your B badging for the BRABUS, and also some red touches here and there. So it's a mixture of like this leather together with some sort of like a Dynamica
Yes.
interior. Cool, man.
In more layman term, we call it effectively what we call it a Dynamica, but however, in more layman term, it's a microfiber.
Microfiber. Okay,
Alcantara.
cool. You mind if I sit in, bro? I just
By
wanna
all means, please.
see how does it feel like. So as you can see right now, I'm sitting comfortably on the inside, and the handles are super nice as well. Very clean design for the doors to open up. Your window adjustments to pull it down and pull it up. You got your ambient lighting even at the door as well, together with the side of the cup holders here for the door with some compartment storage. Super awesome, man, dude. So you get your air vents here. You got your ambient lighting located right here. It's like built in to the back of the dashboard. It's very nice. It's not so shiny and bright, but you can have an option to increase the brightness also, right? I think from the inside here, together with some red stitching at the dashboard. Beautiful. Sound system is using
Beats by Dre.
Oh, that's nice, man. That is so nice. Cool. So this finishing right here is standard also?
Yes, it's standard to the BRABUS.
Okay, so you got some wireless charging over here. You got your 2 Type-C, you got your 12-volt charging also that's available. And over here, you got your cup holders and also a slot for you to keep your phone, I guess. And down here, what's this, man, dude? What are you looking at?
So effectively, this is what I call a portable refrigerator. So this, where all the cold vents coming out from this vent over here, but it's
Okay.
actually run by your air conditioning system.
I see.
So it will be an extra storage space per se. If you have going for outstation, you want to buy a can of tin kopi you can just put inside, just get it chilled, no problem.
That is awesome, bro. That's not bad. That's not bad. Okay, cool. So the rear seats, man. How comfortable are the rear seats? I'm gonna just open up the doors to check the back. You can have a seat there. I just want to see how much space and how comfortable are you at the back, bro?
Okay, so to quote, I'm actually 6'3" in centimeters, 193 cm. So there you have it.
Wow, that's awesome, bro. Man, the glass roof looks super nice, man. I like how the glass roof is like super spacious,
Cheers.
man.
Thank you for the
Makes it look
compliment.
very, very big.
Thank you for the compliment.
Yeah, bro, the air vents are very futuristic design. You got some Type C together with your USB charging down here, together with a compartment storage, man. It's not bad, bro. Very nice. Seats for the rear, you got some storage right there. I love the smart wordings that we have on every part of all four doors. That is amazing, bro.
So not only that, the smart hashtag one comes with a very, what I call this, intuitive features, whereby you can vary the seats forward up to 13 centimeters.
Whoa, man.
So given that, you have extra storage space on the rear trunk.
Okay, cool. Maybe yeah, we should take a look at the rear trunk also as well. So cool. So to open up the boot, I love those lights. Later we'll talk a little bit about how the lights are designed, but yeah. So perhaps this particular plate we can move it first, but in the meantime, check out the space. The rear seats are foldable.
It's foldable.
Also, right? Yeah.
So
that
given
is
that
so
if
cool.
the seat is all moved backward, it'll be 323 liter. If I were to push all the seats forward,
Wow, man.
extended out to 411 liters over here.
That is a lot of space that we are looking at for a car this size, man, dude. That is awesome, bro. Okay, so underneath here there is also some storage that you can actually keep.
Extra
Charging
storage
cable, warning triangle is over there. Your tire repair kit, I believe.
And
Yeah.
this box set will be the subwoofers.
The subwoofers for your Beats by Dre. There's a B right there. Awesome, man, dude. Okay, cool. Very nice, man, dude. Very compact like car, but check out the space, man. Even with the seats moved forward with Quincy's height. Awesome, man.
Still
dude.
boleh, still
Maybe you can try and see, yeah. Cool, bro. Wow, this is you comfortably sitting, man, dude. Awesome. Okay. So maybe we can head to the driver's seat, man, dude, and yeah, I can show the audience what they're actually looking at. So you mind if I sit in first,
Please,
bro?
please.
So this right here is how beautiful the car actually looks from the main driver side. You got your head-up display right there. You got even another display right here. I like how it's integrated into the dashboard, so it's very, very clean like design. You got your lightings and your wiper adjustments over here. The gear knob, fantastic. P should be able to push in. Then of course your drive and reverse is up and down. Lighting adjustments on your right, your boot opening at the front, and also yeah, your chrome-like pedals, sport pedals, the one you step on for the brake and accelerator. Simple door handle to open up, window adjustments, lock, unlock, compartment storage right down there. The steering wheel, man. So these ones here, they control mainly, nothing got to do with this screen, right? This
Nothing
controls what you see over here
The
also.
cruise control, effectively.
Cruise control, okay. Your back button, would be your auto parking.
This would be the resume button.
Okay,
This would be our active park assist.
okay.
This would be the cancel of the whatever current cruise control you have.
Awesome,
So
awesome.
we
man.
have two cruise control, whereby it will be what I call a smart pilot, whereby the car will actually keep you aligned with the lane you are in.
Okay,
Whereas this another one is an active cruise control, whereby it helps stop and go. Steerability is all up to the driver.
okay, that's nice, bro. So you got your BRABUS lighting on the steering.
Yes.
Wow, damn, man. That's so cool, bro. That's cool. So these are voice commands, volume up, volume down, mute, trip, for you to check your mileage and whatnot. So amazing display, very clean like design. Over here we have a lot of things that are going on, but we will get to the details of this in the future. But dude, just just take a look at it. I like what I'm seeing, man. So of course people can change what they're looking at, right? If they don't want it to be looking like this, they can have the choice to change it.
Yes,
Also,
effectively the globe around here, I believe now we're in comfort, so it's more like a city light, a well balance of eco and
I
performance.
see.
You have to switch the driving mode. Yes, the globe changes. As I
Wow.
turn to sport, you see like roller coaster.
Okay.
Given that it's very sportier drive, then we're going to Brabus. It's more like a track kind of feel like.
Wow.
Then we have eco. It's more like a green city. So you
Wow.
have like energy. What you call this? Energy saving.
Bro, this is nice. I like how everything is touch, man. It's not a button,
No.
a physical button to press. So that's kind of cool. I believe that hazard lights are also the same and every other thing right here. This is damn cool, man. I like it. I like what I'm seeing. So this is me sitting comfortably at the front seats. Quincy is much more taller than me, and you know, for him to actually fit, check it out, man, dude.
Yes.
It's comfortable. He's comfortable as well. So, yeah. Let's show the people the lights at the exterior, how it looks like. You know.
Okay, let me just turn on the setting for you, yeah?
Okay.
Settings,
Lighting.
exit. Environmental light, okay, everything's all on. Okay, now we're gonna go to light show.
Light show.
Yes.
Okay, cool. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, like this, huh? That is so cool, man, dude. Dude, I love how the lights are actually underneath the red color stuff, or what's
Yes.
happening. I mean, like I'm seeing all this.
Yes, effectively there's an embedded LED behind the honeycomb.
Okay.
So
Okay.
they just start doing all this, what I call it a Zumba class lah. So you actually help play the LEDs, your daytime running light, and there's a behind LED behind this honeycomb grill here.
Bro, I like it, man, dude. Dude, this is so nice, man. This is really nice, bro. So the behind, also the same, I believe.
Only on the front.
Only on the front.
Only on the front.
Okay. So the back is a very clean,
Very
clean
clean.
look. As you can see, the daytime running lights are already on. Very nice how it splits. You know, it goes into one, then it cuts into two. So very nice indeed. Cool, man. Cool, man. How long will this run actually? This kind of like
It's depending on the playset. I believe it's about 2 minutes.
Okay. So the inner part, there's no lighting happening on the inside.
I
It's
think it's
just
all about the
everything on the
exterior.
front, the exterior. That is so cool, man, dude. That is so cool, bro. So, how do you open up the front hood, man, to show
Okay.
people what's actually happening on this side? Beautiful, man. So we're gonna open up the front hood to check out the front to see what's actually happening. So, is there like a lever or just pull straight away?
Yes, it's effectively like any normal car. There's a lever right at the bottom side of the driver's steering wheel.
Okay.
So what you see, everything's all covered up. And you have especially a 15-liter of front space over here.
Very, very simple and enough to keep shoe or cable.
Yes.
Cable is a bit too thick to go in, maybe.
Or effectively, I like to say, to those durian lovers, you don't want any cabin of durian smell, you just put it on the front.
Yes, if your durian is small enough to fit inside here, that'll be awesome. Very nice, but never keep anything wet at the front.
Yes.
If can, something dry. So, cool, man, dude. So this is a very nice and simple compartment storage, like for you to keep some stuff. We saw the rear boot already. Now it's the front right here, and it is fantastic. So again, tire size is the same for the front and the back.
Yes, not mixed tires.
Not staggered tires lah. Okay, cool, cool. This is not bad. So yeah, man. So once again, let's take a walk around to show you how the car looks like. Privacy glass, or was it tinted?
Privacy glass.
Privacy glass,
so you can feel
guys.
there's no paper here also.
Yeah, check out this one right here is darker than the front. Lighter, darker. Awesome, man, dude. So yeah, very nice badge. So this also would be, this is no light, right? This
Yes,
is
they will. So as long as the rear light sensor will actually capture whether it's bright or whether it's dimmed down, once you unlock, this will start to
will light
indicate
up
also.
as well.
Correct.
Dude, that's so cool, man, dude. Okay, man, Quincy, thanks so much for your time, bro.
Cheers,
man.
thank you so much.
Really appreciate it, dude. But yeah, so guys, if you'd like to find out more, do head down to the Smart Car showroom right here and meet up with Quincy and the team to find out more about your brand new Smart #1 BRABUS. I hope I said it right. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.